Imagine a future where you can build a huge spaceship in just a few months, which usually takes years to build. Forget about 3D printing, using which you can print the part of the machines fastly and then assemble it. The real game changer technology is the self-replication, using which a huge spaceship can reproduce by itself like humans and make its own copy by using the materials available in the environment. If you are fond of science fiction movies, most of you have seen the scenes where one humanoid robot is making the army of other humanoid robots to capture the earth. So people, in this video of massive if proven, we will be exploring this technology of self-replication. We will see its future prospects, its benefits and its drawbacks. We will also see the possibility of this tech coming into the reality in the near future. So people, let me take you to the tour of the living cell. So people, I want to ask you a question. What is the cell? You will say, Mohan, it is the basic structural and functional unit of life. In the simple words, cell is the brick which is used to make the home, that is the human body or any other living creatures. People, all of you know that every matter is made up of atom, be it the carbon, be it oxygen, be it iron, potassium, magnesium, etc. We can say that all the elements in the periodic table. People, all of you know that our cells are made up of different types of organelles like nucleus, like ribosome, like mitochondria, like Golgi bodies, like endoplasmic reticulum, etc. And most of you also know that proteins are the most important nutrient required for any living creature. I want to tell you people, there are two types of protein. One are essential and other are non-essential. The proteins which are made by our own body are essential proteins, and the proteins which are taken from the another food sources are non-essential proteins. Let me tell you guys, the entire proteins in this world are only made with the help of only 20 types of amino acid. So we can say that in the prospect of food that all the dishes in the world are made from only 20 ingredients. Now we deep dive into the cell. We want to find the organelle that makes the proteins, and that organelle is ribosomes. So people, I can confidently say you that the ribosomes are truly self-replicating machines or robots, because we can say that the ribosomes are the robot which can make their own copy by themselves and also make any protein in the world by only using the 20 types of amino acids available. Similarly, using the process which the ribosomes use, we can make the types of robot that replicate fastly and do the work collectively to make that work faster. The technology of self-replicating robot can be used in different fields, but I will discuss you with some examples that will blow your mind, and also this application are going to change the world we see now. The first application we will discuss is stated by the famous scientist von Neumann, who is also considered as the father of modern computing and also later tested by the NASA. That is in the field of space exploration. We can use this technology of self-replicating robot for setting the colonies on Mars, for setting the colonies on Moon and industry on the Moon, and extracting the precious metal from the space, taking it back to the Earth's surface without sending the different type of machine to that planet using a costly space missions. We only need a one robot that can self-replicate and make its copy using the raw materials available in the environment of that planet. It will slowly make the army of the robots that are copy of him, and then collectively mine the precious metal from that planet and send it back to the Earth's surface. Second application is we can set up the industry in the places where no human can go, like desert, snow, like Antarctica or on the ocean. using these robots. We can also use this technology by making this robot so tiny, like a small microorganism, and then consuming it as the form of medicine, which will go inside our gut or different organs which are damaged, and then it will do the microsurgery by itself and then come back out of the body. This technology of the tiny robots doing microsurgery will change the entire medical system we see in our earth. And the doctors who are used to this technology and have the ability to learn will survive, and other doctors will lose their jobs. People, this technology has some limitation which will require the time to solve. For example, when we will send any robot to another planet where he have to replicate and then do the task assigned to him, and if there is the no raw material for him to make its own copy, then it will cause a severe problem. But this problem can be solved using the advanced AI techniques by which the AI can recognize the alternative material available on that planet to make the same part of that robot and then making the copies using that materials. First threat is that this replicating robot will replicate unlimitedly, and this will cause threat to the resources, and the energy requirement will increase by very large extent, and this can cause the devastation. Using advanced algorithms that are controlling this robot's replication, that the replication will stop after the several generations, can avoid this problem of unlimited replication. Second threat is takeover of this robot by some terrorist organizations or some group of hackers which can hack the system of this robot and use that replicating technology robots to impose the threat to the human society. But this can be solved by using very hard encrypted algorithms which are encrypted using the quantum computer technology, so that these robots cannot be hacked by anyone, and also implementing one kill switch technology using which we can kill all the robots by only mere one click. In the last section of this video, let's see, are there any recent development in the field of this self-replicating robot technology, or this technology is just a fiction. So people, this technology is in its early stages, and in the span of next 20 years we can see this technology into the market. To talk about the recent development, I want to tell you about a xenobots which are made by Harvard University, which are a tiny robots which are programmed using the machine learning algorithm and made from the living stem cell of the frog, which can be used in the different fields like microsurgery, again cleaning the environment, and also we can use this xenobots for clearing the microplastic inside our body, which we consume daily by eating the packaged food. So people, this technology can definitely solve all the problems of this world and change the world we see now, and I can definitely call it as a massive if proven technology. So lastly people, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also, if you want a deep understanding about this subject, you can go in the description where I have attached some link that can make your understanding of this subject more deep. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.